Hey guys,
Pinoy Toy Geek
and Red 13, and we're back with another video. And today we're talking about SpongeBob SquarePants, the Krusty Krab attack, 406 pieces. You get Squidward, Mr. Krab, Plankton, and SpongeBob, and a ton of robots as well are attacking the shop. So there's a lot of cool activity you can be doing with this. On top of this, we're also looking at the Wacky Gym and Wacky Surfing, 26 pieces and 33. A lot of fun with this as well, because SpongeBob can pump up and he can surf with the other guy. So stay tuned at the end, because there's going to be a little story with all these combined. Let's check it out. It's time to open shop and make some money.
I'm ready.
SpongeBob, why do you have to be so annoying? It's time to dominate the Krusty Krab. Plankton is out to steal the Krabby Patty recipe yet again in the Krusty Krab attack by Bloks, SpongeBob SquarePants. Build the famous dining establishment and use the launchers to help SpongeBob send plates and patties flying toward Plankton and his two buildable robot minions. Mr. Krabs and Squidward come to the rescue, knocking the Krusty Krab sign down to stop Plankton in his tracks. Build an exciting adventure in Bikini Bottom with this action playset. Krusty Krab attack is able to open up and close for interior and exterior play. It comes with a dish launcher, manual patty launcher, and a collapsing sign, as well as 2 buildable evil robot minions. Surf's up, Broseph. It's time for some totally tubular surfing fun. When Larry the Lobster isn't busy attracting all the attention at Goo Lagoon, you can find him doing some wacky surfing by Bloks SpongeBob SquarePants. Build the launcher pad and send Larry flying across the water, making sure he lands his wave between the 2 buoy posts to show everyone who's the big kahuna. I could lift you like tiny acorn. SpongeBob will be the envy of Muscle Beach when he buffs up at the Wacky gym by Bloks SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob has always wanted to be the Bikini Bottom's strongest sponge, and now he can. Build the gym's weight set and help SpongeBob SquarePants become Muscle Bob Buff Pants when you push down on the bench to make him lift the teddy bear weights.
The Krusty Krab. Empty, empty, empty.
Where are they? Where's the money? Where's the money? Why is no one giving me their money?
Well, you know, it's SpongeBob's fault.
What was that, Squidward? I couldn't hear you over all this productivity. Aren't these new workers great?
Ever since he's hired them, no one's come into the shop.
Why, my boy? Why did you hire these robots?
Well, they came with such great references, I couldn't pass them up.
Who referenced them? I did. No, over here. Down here. Here I am. Now that my robots are working at Krusty Krab, I'm going to have them destroy the whole place. You're a monster.
Don't worry, Mr. Krabs. How much damage can they do? Well, that can be fixed up in a jiffy. But for now, I've got to get pumped up and take care of this problem.
Now I am pumped up. Feel my power coming down. Well, I see you have me in a bit of a pickle, but no one will show up to your shop. Cowabunga! I heard you guys were robot free. No customers, eh, Plankton? Oh, he's gone.
All right. Time to start making some delicious Krabby Patties for our guests.
Well, that's the whole set, everybody. Please leave a comment letting us know what you thought, and don't forget to hit subscribe.
Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Toy Geek,
And this is Red 13.
signing off.